Here's a 2017 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability makes every trip the perfect journey. Features include streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, smartphone wireless charging, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Deel Sales in Miami is your local dealership committed to excellence. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 3650 Bird Road in Miami.